Sure, they be. This is one of the black feathers of the male.
Right, now just to recap, the ones with the grey feathers, that is the females, and the ones with the black feathers, they are the males. And there you can see the red colors on the legs. But out of the season, it changed back to a light pink color. When you take a look at their feet, they got only 2 toes. The small one is for balancing, and the big ones they for kicking or fighting with the opponents. Sharp toenails, it can rip the enemies open quickly, but they can't kick backwards, so you are quite safe when you stand behind them. But it's also best to keep your distance behind ostriches. Sometimes they go to the bathroom and all of a sudden, all right. Now in height, they're about 2.2 meters and they weigh between 90 and 120 kilograms. The part where it's supposed to be the knee, it's actually the ankle. All right, so when they sit down, then the ankles, they bend backwards. Our knees goes to the front. And the hips are under the wings or the thighs, and the hips are backwards, which is the meaty parts of the ostriches. Okay, and the neck is about 1 meter long. It consists of 19 vertebrae. Quite flexible, they can turn their necks into any direction. The eyes are actually bigger than the brains. Each eye weighs about 60 grams, but the brain is only 30 grams. And they got very good eyesight. They can spot something in a distance of about 2 to 3 kilometers.
Sure.
Behind the head, there's 2 ears, which they can close or open during a dust storm. All right. Eyes have lower and upper eyelids, dense eyelashes to protect their eyes against the sun. All right. And there's also a nictitating membrane which cleans the eyes during a dust storm.
Wow.
Now for the feeding, you just place a couple of corn pips in the palm of your hand under the beak of the ostrich. Also be careful, some of them are very gentle and some of them are. This one for you as well.
Sure.
And if there's some of you would like to have some neck massages, you can also put some of the corn in the white bucket over there. I will show you.
There you go. Just put a little bit.
Now for the neck massages, you need the bucket to side pose with your back towards the birds. And when they come from behind, and you're done.
Oh,
There goes your head.
sure.
And then
Sure.
Sure, dat die kant toe. Gimana dia?
Yeah.
Ja. Auw.
Sheesh. Oh. There you go.
Gimana dia?
No, no, do the white one.
Oh, dat is wel gentle.
Ah, that's it.
That one grabbed my thumb.
Sure.
Moet je weer terug staan als ze gaan die mij niet aankomen.
Sta maar,
Sta
die
eerst.
is wat in.
Take a picture.
Die mannetje, heel leuk.